You've probably noticed that hydrocyclone slurry piping takes a beating. It's a common problem at lots of sites, but there are some easy ways to fix it and get more wear life. This is the first of 3 videos where we're going to show you what causes the problems in cyclone feedline piping and how other sites are fixing them. Watch to the end for 2 easy changes you can make to get 6 times better wear life in your cyclone feedline. You've probably noticed on your own site that when cyclone feed piping fails, the weak points are the first and second bends. These bends cop most of the wear because the slurry exiting the pump is turbulent and fast moving. When it hits the side of the bend, it creates a localised wear spot that quickly holds out. The discharge spool, in most cases a short reducer, is also a high wear point. The vibration and turbulence from the pump quickly wear the wrong kind of spool. So what are the 2 fixes you can make to prevent this kind of wear? First, redesign your bends as long sweeping curves. You want to get rid of those tight bends that create localised wear. Second, the type of piping matters. You want piping that's got high abrasion resistance and impact absorption. The impact absorption is key, and a good way to get that is with rubber mining hose. A ceramic lined mining hose will have the same impact absorption and high abrasion resistance. The problem with rigid piping is that there's no give, so slurry quickly gouges the liner and holds out the spool. The same goes for the reducers. Because the mining hose is flexible, it absorbs the vibration from the pumps, giving you a longer lasting discharge spool. Lots of sites we work with have made these changes and extended their wear life by 3 to 6 times. So if you're seeing the same issues, it might be time to consider doing this in your plant.